Hello children, today in this topic we will continue our topic, that is class discussion. So in this class today, what we do, we will discuss about the word meaning of the poem class discussion. So we should start the class now. Now our first word is discussion. Now what is the discussion means? Whenever we discuss any topic and any conversation which is going on in the class is called a discussion. It means talking together on a single topic. There is a conversation between a teacher and student. That conversation is called a discussion. Now the next word is hardly. Hardly means rarely. When we do any work, rarely means when we do any work which we don't do oftenly or frequently, it means we do that work rarely. The next word is aired. Aired means any news which we make publicly announced. Any news which we announce in public, any news which we spread in between the public, it called make public. So air means anything which is spreading in the air, any news is spreading in the air, any news which is come in between the public is called air, make public. Publicly announcement, which we can say. Opinions means when we share our feeling, our thought, our thinking with anyone, it means we are expressing our opinion, we are giving our opinion, we are expressing we are sharing our feeling, we are sharing our thoughts, we are sharing our thinking. It means we are sharing our opinions, we are giving our judgment, we are giving our ideas. The next word is barely. Barely means only just. In the poem, there was a girl, Jane, who hardly speaks few words, who only just few speak, and she speaks very less. She doesn't like to speak too much. She speaks only just few words. She barely speaks. She hardly speaks. So barely means only just. Now the next word is stared. Stare means to look continuously. Anything which we look continuously, we stared, we gaze. It means stared. Stare means gaze. To look continuously anything. Okay. So without blinking your eyes, we continuously look to something. That means stare. The next word is surrounded. Surrounded means environment around us. The environment which we live in is called surrounded. So the next word is chatter. Chatter means a noisy talk which we do in the class. There are some students in the class who are whispering, who are murmuring, who are talking in a low tone, and they are making some noise in the class. So anything which makes a noisy sound is called chatter. Basically a chatter means a sparrow sound. So the next word is matter. A matter is a topic or thing which we discuss in our class. Anything which is happening around us is called matter or a thing. And the last word is plain. Plain means clear. In the poem, the teacher was asking to Jen, what happened, what is the matter, tell me, be plain. Please don't mismatch the word, don't confuse me, just be clear about your thoughts, be clear about your opinions, tell me what is the matter, what is the problem is going on. Jane, why don't you speak too much in the class, why you speak too less? So there is a conversation between Jen and teacher in this poem. So we have done this new words and word meaning of the poem class discussion. Thank you very much.